evening, everyone. Today I wanted to talk about the power of questions when it comes to weakening your limiting beliefs as well as building up your empowering beliefs. So, one thing that I learned from Tony Robbins, I think it was from the book Awaken the Giant Within, maybe, but the more that you question a limiting belief, the weaker that it gets. In fact, the more that you question any belief, the weaker that the belief gets. So, for example, if you believe that you are bad at public speaking, or you can think of whatever limiting belief that you have right now, if you just ask yourself, is that really true? Is that really true? You can ask yourself that 10 times if you need to. And as you ask yourself, is that really true? You might start to feel a little bit of doubt about that belief. It's crazy because a lot of us, we have beliefs about ourselves, empowering or disempowering beliefs, that they are so strong, so rock solid that we don't even question them. And the same thing works with empowering beliefs about yourself, because you can develop more empowering beliefs about yourself by asking what if kind of questions. So if you have a limiting belief, and this is just something that helps me, but say that, public speaking, if you have a fear of public speaking, you believe that it's, you're really doubting yourself that you have the ability to do public speaking. Well, if you ask yourself, what if I could? What if it's possible? What if, and even if you feel skeptical, that's okay. That's okay. But by asking yourself, what if, you are planting the seed that, what if it's possible? And you start to tap into your childlike imagination. So you start to think to yourself, what if it is possible for me? What if I could? What if you've been poor your whole life and you come from a poor family and nobody in your family has become a millionaire, and maybe that's a goal of yours, or even making six figures, well, you could ask yourself, what if, even if you're skeptical, what if it's possible that I could? What if it's possible if I read enough, if I went through enough courses, if I built my worth ethic, if I worked on myself, if I worked on my beliefs, if I worked on my mindset, if I worked on my mental, physical, emotional well-being, what if there is a possibility that I could achieve that? So whatever your limiting belief is, you kind of go in the opposite direction and ask yourself, what if the opposite is true, the opposite of that limiting belief? That's just a way that I personally have found that has helped me to cultivate, just more self-belief. And another thing that has really helped me through hard times of my life is just asking myself, whenever I'm going through a difficult time, what if I could overcome this? Even if I'm 99.99999% sure that I can't overcome whatever problem that I'm facing in my life. Could be an emotional problem, could be a trauma, it could be, a certain belief that I have about myself, a limiting belief. And no matter how certain that I feel that I can't overcome something, I just ask myself, what if I did overcome this? And if there's a 0.0000001% chance that I could overcome this, then am I willing to go for it? Am I willing to keep persevering? Am I willing to not give up? And I don't know about you, but the answer to that is a resounding yes. It's okay if you don't have 100% belief in yourself. Like, you can't force this. Self-belief is something that you develop and condition over time. It can, but it normally doesn't happen in a moment. But when you start thinking in terms of possibilities, because sometimes it can be hard to have 100% belief in yourself when you've never even come close to that goal. But if you start to think in terms of possibilities, you know what? I don't know if I could become a millionaire, or I don't know if I could build this business, or I don't know if I could achieve this or that or make this amount of money. I don't know that for sure, but you know what? I can say that it's possible, because if there's whatever your situation is, you got, called stupid in school, or, whatever it is, there's people out there that have been through what you have been through and worse and came out the other side. And you might be thinking that if you're in a really bad life situation that you can't see a way out, you just don't think it'll get better. But the truth is, there's very successful people that have been through very difficult times that have come out the other side successful. It may have been a lot of work. It may have been a lot of heartache and tears and blood and sweat. But eventually they came through and they made it happen. They made their dream a reality. And whenever you doubt yourself, just to summarize this video, whenever you have these limiting beliefs in it, no matter how certain that it feels, question it, question it. If you don't think you're an attractive person and you feel like you're ugly and nobody wants to be with you, ask yourself, is that really true? Is that really true? Has every single person that you met felt that way about you? Or have there been some people that think that you're good looking? Or maybe you think that you're stupid. Are you really stupid? Is that really true? Or have you demonstrated a certain amount of intelligence with a certain skill or a certain hobby? Or maybe you played a video game that you did really well with, or maybe you aced a test in school one time. Even if you got mostly F's, if you just had one win, that's enough proof that you are intelligent enough to achieve your goals. So anyway, I hope this video helps you guys. I really want to put out some more videos on overcoming limiting beliefs and just building that strong mindset. And this YouTube channel is all about physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. And I definitely realize that's one of the most difficult things for a lot of people, is limiting beliefs. It holds us back from becoming the best that we can be, holds us back from being healthier, holds us back from making more money, it holds us back from having the body that we want, holds us back from attracting the person of our dreams. So I hope this video helps you guys. Hit this video a like if you enjoyed it. And if you want some more useful content about overcoming limiting beliefs and cultivating a stronger mindset, which I am still working on myself, and let's all grow our mindset together. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.